Nature is more than just beautiful scenery. Within it, every creature has a role, rules, and stories we rarely hear. Welcome to the world of animals and nature.
What if I told you there's a plant that can survive for years without water, store huge amounts of liquid inside its body, and even grow in places where almost nothing else can live? Sounds like something from another planet, right? Well, it's real. Meet the cactus, one of the most fascinating and toughest plants on Earth. But here's the crazy part. Some cacti can live over 150 years. Some grow taller than a house, and others can bloom the most beautiful flowers in the desert for just one single night. So today, we're diving deep into the secret world of cactus plants, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at a cactus the same way again. Cactus plants are the ultimate survivors. They mostly grow in extremely dry environments like deserts, where temperatures can reach over 50 degrees Celsius, or 122 degrees Fahrenheit, during the day, and drop dramatically at night. So how do they survive? First, cactus plants have thick, fleshy stems that act like giant water tanks. After rare desert rainfalls, they quickly absorb water and store it inside their bodies. Some species can store hundreds of liters of water, but that's not all. Their famous spines, those sharp needles, actually serve multiple purposes. They protect the cactus from thirsty animals, but they also reduce water loss and provide shade from the intense desert sun. In other words, every part of a cactus is designed for survival. Here's a surprising fact most people don't know. Cactus spines are actually modified leaves. Millions of years ago, cacti had regular leaves like other plants, but living in extremely dry environments forced them to evolve. Large leaves lose a lot of water through evaporation. So over time, those leaves transformed into tiny sharp spines to save water. Instead of using leaves for photosynthesis, cacti use their green stems to absorb sunlight and produce energy. It's one of the most unique adaptations in the plant world. Not all cacti are small. Some are absolutely massive. One of the most famous is the giant saguaro cactus, which can grow up to 40 feet tall. That's about the height of a 4-story building. These giants can weigh several tons when fully hydrated. Even more incredible, saguaros grow very slowly. It may take 10 years for them to grow just a few centimeters, but if they survive long enough, they can live for 150 to 200 years. Imagine a plant quietly standing in the desert for 2 centuries. Despite their tough and spiky appearance, cactus plants produce some of the most stunning flowers in nature. Bright pink, red, yellow, white, and orange blossoms can suddenly appear on these thorny plants. But here's the twist. Some cactus flowers bloom only at night. One famous example is the night-blooming cereus, whose flowers open after sunway and close again before morning. That means, if you miss the night it blooms, you might have to wait an entire year to see it again. These nighttime flowers attract animals like bats and moths, which help pollinate the cactus. Nature always finds a way. When people think of cacti, they usually imagine hot deserts. But surprisingly, cactus plants can grow in many different environments. Some live in rainforests, climbing trees like vines. Others grow in mountains or rocky landscapes. Today, there are over 2,000 species of cactus found mostly in the Americas. From tiny cacti the size of a coin to giant desert towers, this plant family is incredibly diverse. So the next time you see a cactus, remember, you're not just looking at a spiky plant, you're looking at a master of survival. An ancient desert giant, and a plant capable of producing some of the most breathtaking flowers on Earth. Nature can be harsh, but cactus plants prove that life can adapt in the most incredible ways. And honestly, that's pretty amazing. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe for more untold stories from nature. Also, activate the notification bell so you don't miss another interesting video. And comment below, what plants and animals should we explore next? Because nature still has secrets waiting to be revealed, and we'll explore them together. See you in the next video.